First tonight, day 11 of the painstaking search and rescue efforts in the Texas Hill Country. Search efforts over the last 24 hours hindered because of more flash flooding in that area.
Now only certain crews are back on the ground looking for those who are still missing. Governor Greg Abbott gave a grim update earlier this afternoon. He confirmed at least 131 people have lost their lives across the state. Dozens remain missing at this hour. The number in Kerrville alone stands at 97. Governor Abbott also said more help is on the way, with 25 states sending assistance to the Hill Country.
Our team coverage continues tonight in the Hill Country and here in Houston. We start with Amanda Henderson, who's live in Kerrville. And Amanda, the weather tonight again creating more challenges.
Yeah, Len, right now it's sunny and beautiful. You would never expect that it had been storming earlier. So many of these crews fighting the power of the Guadalupe River. When we got out here a few hours ago, it didn't look like this. It was much calmer, but those storms have made it really difficult for crews, including the friends that we made today from Nuevo Leon. Take a listen. At the Guadalupe River in Ingram, Texas, mountains of branches continue to line the banks. The site met with the sound of helicopters.
The condition of the river is easier right now than before, but it's still hard to go to into the river.
Down in the Guadalupe River, you'll find Manolo Acevedo and his crew, Proteccion Civil from Nuevo Leon, Mexico. Armed with ATVs, divers, boats, maps, and search dogs, they're searching the Guadalupe for those swept away in the deadly July 4th floods, only taking breaks when officials tell them to. What troubles have you guys had with the water today?
Well, we were working last day, but yesterday and today, we have to stop for the raining. The raining is causing the rivers comes up.
The latest warning happening just hours ago, which is when we spoke with them after looking at their map for where they will start next when they're able.
It's not only a disaster economically, houses. We are talking about we lost people, we lost children. And there are so many emotional tributes, including these crosses right here on the banks of the Guadalupe, which is where we're going to bring you back tonight at 10 on KHOU 11 News. Meet the man who not only is making these consistently for everyone who has passed in these floods, but also the emotional tribute behind some of the wood that is being used. Live in Kerrville, I'm Amanda Henderson, KHOU 11 News.
A powerful visual reminder that even as the water recedes, the heartbreak still runs deep. Amanda, we'll see you back here at 10. You take care until then.